What's up, everyone? Welcome to Bope Cash TV, your go-to destination for making money online and other online cash services, finance tips, entrepreneurial advice, lifestyle vlogs, etc. I'm your host, by the name Elijah, and I'm excited to share my knowledge and experiences with you. On this channel, we'll be diving into the world of where you can use your internet as money machine and exploring ways to improve your lifetime, making some cool cash online free. For example, make money, start a business, improve your life, etc. From online education, software building and anything about graphic designing to making of money, being a serious entrepreneur and working from the comfort of your home, we'll be covering it all. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances, build wealth, and achieve your goals, then you're in the right place. So, subscribe to Bope Cash TV, hit that notification bell, and let's get started on this journey together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduced to you GBope Tech TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Valley Tech expert in services like graphic designing, they will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their YouTube channel at YouTube name as GBope Tech TV. If you want a business looking to create